Before buying a 4K action camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all cheap cameras are created equal, and some might leave you frustrated instead of capturing those epic moments. Product number 1: W&O Vlogging Camera. The W&O Vlogging Camera caught my attention with its compact design and impressive features, all for just $74.59. If you want a pocket-sized camera that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. This camera shoots in 2.5K UHD, which is decent, especially for capturing daily vlogs or travel moments. Plus, the 7-hour battery life means you won't need to worry about recharging during a day out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're traveling or just out for the day, you can capture everything without fussing over battery life. Now, some people complained about the image quality not being DSLR level. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option for casual shooting, this isn't a deal breaker. It's not meant to compete with high-end cameras, but rather to make recording easy and fun. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to document your adventures without the hassle. Skip this one if you need professional-grade video quality. At this price, it's a pretty solid deal for everyday use. Alright, if the W&O's image quality isn't cutting it for you, the next option might actually fit the bill better for your needs. Product number 2: enthusiast 4K Thumb Action Camera. The enthusiast 4K Thumb Action Camera is a tiny powerhouse priced at $94.35. What really stands out is its waterproof feature, allowing you to shoot down to 131 feet. If you want to capture your underwater adventures, this is worth checking out. This camera records in 4K, which gives you incredible detail, especially for action-packed moments like swimming or biking. Plus, with the strong magnetic back, you can attach it to various surfaces effortlessly. Here's why this matters. Having a lightweight camera that can go anywhere means you can keep your hands free while still recording your experiences. However, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better. Here's my perspective. While it may not last as long as some competitors, it's still perfect for short outings or quick adventures, and you can recharge it quickly. This is perfect for thrill seekers who want to document their adventures without extra gear. Skip this one if you need a camera that lasts all day without recharging. For under $100, it's a fantastic option for those on the go. Now, if you're looking for even more versatility, the next camera on my list might catch your interest. Product number 3: Sixmu i3 4K Body Camera. Next up is the Sixmu i3 4K Body Camera, priced at $88.53. This camera is smaller than your thumb and can mount just about anywhere. If you want a truly discreet action cam, this is worth a serious look. It records in 4K and comes with a waterproof case, allowing you to dive up to 131 feet, perfect for underwater sports. The magnetic design means you can attach it to any metal surface, which opens up a world of creative shooting angles. Here's why this matters. Whether you're skiing or biking, being able to mount the camera securely without noticing it's there means you can capture authentic moments. But some users mentioned that the low-light performance isn't great. Here's the thing. In bright outdoor conditions, it performs beautifully, but it may struggle in darker environments. This camera is perfect for active individuals who want to capture their experiences hands-free. Skip this one if night shooting is your priority. At this price, it's a steal for daytime adventures. If you're still searching for something with more features, the next camera might be just what you need. Product number 4: Uorosi 4K Action Camera. Now let's talk about the Uorosi 4K Action Camera, retailing at just $69.56. With a touchscreen and 4K recording at 60 FPS, this is a great budget-friendly option. If you want smooth video quality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This is crucial if you're going on long adventures, as you won't run out of storage or power. The built-in EIS means your footage stays stable, even during intense movement, perfect for biking or skiing. However, some reviews noted that the remote control isn't waterproof. Here's the thing, if you're using it for water sports, just keep the remote safely on the shore while you're in the water. This camera is perfect for anyone looking for solid video quality at a budget price. Skip this one if you need a fully waterproof remote. With all its features, it offers great value for the money. If you want to explore one more option that doesn't compromise on quality, let's see what the final pick has to offer. Product number 5. Freeze-to-Trim Pro Extreme 4K Camera. Finally, we have the Freeze-to-Trim Pro Extreme 4K Action Camera priced at $60.70. This camera is an absolute steal, especially if you're into underwater filming. If you want a reliable option without spending too much, this is worth looking at. It captures stunning 4K video and is waterproof down to 98 feet, perfect for snorkeling or diving. Plus, the multiple mounting options mean you can get creative with your shots. Here's why this matters. Having a camera that can adapt to different sports ensures you never miss a moment of your adventures. On the downside, it doesn't come with an internal memory, meaning you'll have to buy an SD card separately. Here's the thing. Most action cameras require an additional card anyway, so this isn't a huge drawback for most users. This is perfect for the adventurous type who doesn't want a hassle with complicated setups. Skip this one if you're looking for something with built-in storage. For under $70, it's an excellent investment for capturing memories. Now that we've covered all 5 cameras, let's wrap this up and see which one may be the best fit for you. So to recap, we've explored the W&O vlogging camera for its ease of use, the NUISK for its lightweight, the Sixmu for its compact design, the Uorosi for its smooth video quality, and the Freeze-to-Trim for its affordability. Each of these cameras has its strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. Depending on what you're looking for, any of these could be a great choice under $100.